Meaning of foresight.
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 Foresight. Foresight is the ability to anticipate or predict future events or circumstances. It involves using knowledge and experience to make informed decisions and take actions that prepare for potential outcomes. People with foresight are often able to identify opportunities and threats before they occur, allowing them to proactively respond to changing situations. Successful foresight requires a combination of analytical thinking, strategic planning, and creativity. It can lead to better decision-making, improved outcomes, and a competitive advantage in various fields, including business, politics, and personal life.